All right, this ought to fit perfect. Yep. By the way, get the door.
How does he always know?
Yo, Mario, you expecting somebody?
Oh, I hope it's not that magazine guy.
I understand you plumbers can fix anything mechanical. I need an emergency adjustment. The name is Gadget. Inspector Gadget.
Oh, no problem, Gadget. Come back in an hour.
Well, I need you to fix them while I wait. You see, I'm expecting important instructions from the chief.
Yeah, that must be him now.
Does he always do that?
Yeah.
Chief, is that you? Yes, sir. I'll be there as soon as the Mario brothers fix me up. Hurry, fellas, I'm going to pieces.
Are you ready, Dr. Mario?
Yes, I am, Dr. Luigi.
Okay.
What was that for?
Just in case the patient screams, we shouldn't be upset. Wash. Okay.
Okay, doctor.
To you, doctor.
Hey, doctor.
Cleanliness, neatness.
Oh, now what do we do?
Waste not, want not.
Mrs. Periwinkle's goldfish, Kenneth. Uh-oh.
Here you go, doctor.
Hey, doctor.
Equipment ready?
Yes, sir.
Patient prepped?
Patient prepped.
Okay.
Perfect.
Remember what I told you.
Okay, doctor.
What is the most important thing?
Cleanliness.
Cleanliness. Scapulator.
Scapulator.
Permeator. Strudel. Rag.
Rag. Grabber.
Rubber. Got it. Whoa.
Sticulator.
Right. All done. Huh? I feel like Leonardo da Vinci. It's a masterpiece.
What do you say, Inspector?
What? I have one question, fellas.
What's that?
How long have you two been working for the evil Dr. Claw?
Why, I oughta...
Spare parts you come up with, Luigi, are just what we needed. I think we're ready for a bench check.
Bench check coming up, Mario. All right, Inspector, we'll have you taken care of here in 2 shakes of a lamb's tail.
Very good.
Perfect. Oh, yes, sirree, Bob. Your RPM's at 3,000. Your oil is clean, but you ought to come back for a left foot alignment at about 3,000 miles.
And here's your 30-day parts and labor warranty. Just don't run over any nails.
Excellent. Well, tell me, will you gentlemen take a check?
Absolutely.
By the way, where did you find my new spare parts?
Oh, I got them at that novelty store on 33rd and 3rd.
A novelty store?
Right.
A novelty store. That figures. Well, thank you, Mario Brothers. I think I'll leave before you can do anything else to help.
Yo, Mario. Do you think that I should tell him about some of the other changes that we made?
Go. Rocket shoes.
I don't think so. Go, rocket shoes.
Till next time, everybody.
Till the